on this occasion. As you all know that stress is the main problem for the children. So I have a formula for that. I have the formula. So in this mimicry, we'll see that what is the formula. Listen carefully how to reduce your stress. So good morning, children. First, this is the discussion between a teacher and a student and their parents. Teacher is asking Raju. His name is Raju. Raju, why you are not doing the homework? Why you are not getting good marks? You are not preparing well for the exams. Then Raju says, Sir, I am trying to do my best, but I am not able to do. So, I give time till tomorrow morning. Go to your home, ask your parents, and take their help and complete your work. So, Raju will go to his home. While going, my teacher wants me to do homework. My parents are not helping me what to do. So, after going home, he will ask his father, Father, please help me to do the homework. Then the father will say, No son, I am busy. I cannot help you now. Go near your mother. So mother know only Telugu. So she will say that, నీ తాత దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళమ్మా ఆయన హెల్ప్ చేస్తారు. So he will go near his grandfather. Then the grandfather will say, grandfather also know only Telugu. He will say that, అన్ని ప్రయత్నాలు చేసావు కదా ఆఖరి ప్రయత్నంగా ఆ శివయ్యని అడుగు. So he will pray to Lord Shiva and Shiva will come and say, I cannot help you. I gave you intelligence. I gave you strength. So you are only going to do your things. నీ ప్రయత్నం నువ్వు చేయాలి. నీ ప్రయత్నం నువ్వు చేయకుండా భగవంతుడు కూడా కాపాడలేడు. So then again that Shiva will say to you, go near your teacher. After going near teacher, you ask him, he will give some tips. So next day morning, he will go near the teacher. So teacher will ask, Madam, I am not able to do the work. Please help me. Give me some tips. Then the madam will refer to one teacher. So he will go near the teacher. The teacher says, I have 3-point formula. One is, improve your listening skills. Second is, improve your reading skills. Improve your writing skills. These 3 things if you follow 40 days, continuously practice 41st day. Reading skills, listening skills and writing skills are all habits only. Once you improve that, develop that, automatically you will secure good marks. Then immediately that boy will say, thank you sir, I will try to do my best. I will improve in my reading. Then next result he will get good marks. All mother, father and all will be happy with him. And then the main point is here, I am going to say that if you improve your listening skills, if you improve your reading skills, if you improve your writing skills, definitely 40 days you try, 41st day it will become habit for you. That's why these people all they do this, 40 days practice. Okay children, do this formula and try to improve yourself. Thank you very much.